you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the TrendMood and Olaplex Takeover box. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing the TrendMood box that's a collab with Olaplex. So this is all Olaplex products. I absolutely love Olaplex. I think there might be a few products in here that I don't really use on my hair, so I'll gladly save those for one of you guys in a future giveaway, but I'm super excited. Once I got the email and it showed Olaplex, I'm like, sold. I didn't even see how much it was. I'm like, I'm gonna go get it. This box here, let me go ahead and tell you the pricing. So this box was $48 is what I paid. It did have a list of the different items, and one of them is sent at random. It was like 2 or 3 different products that would be sent at random. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I'm gonna show you everything. It looks like right now it is sold out. So if you are interested in them, you could always be on their email list. That's what I am. So whenever there's a box, I get an email, I check it. If I want it, I grab it. If I don't, I don't, because that's the great thing about this box. It's not a subscription. If you want it, you buy it. If you don't, you don't. So let's go ahead and check out all of our Olaplex products. And when you remove the sticker for the tissue paper, there's a sneak peek. Everything is protected in bubble wrap. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and start with the first one that I'm pulling out. It says it's the Olaplex number 6 Bond Smoother. And this one here says leave-in styling treatment adds moisture, strengthens, and reduces frizz for up to 72 hours. That's great, especially being in this humid state. Sometimes my hair is like, whew. So I'm definitely gonna try this out. It says apply a half a pump to damp hair, mid-length to ends, comb through and style as desired. Use more for longer or thicker hair, less for fine or shorter hair. So there's number 1. Next up, we have the Olaplex number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. Repairs, strengthens, and nourishes for all hair types. And this one here, use every time you shampoo or after rinsing Olaplex number 3 Hair Perfector from hair. Rinse and then lather. Follow up with the Olaplex Bond Maintenance Conditioner. So there is the shampoo. And then here is going to be the number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. Same thing, repairs, strengthens, and nourishes for all hair types. This one here just says to apply the Olaplex conditioner and leave on for 3 minutes and then rinse. So that is so great. We have the shampoo and the conditioner. Again, I love Olaplex, so I had to grab that. Next up, we have the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3, repairs and strengthens for all hair types. And this one here says use once a week, but for damaged hair, you can use it 2 to 3 times a week. Apply on damp, towel-dry hair. Apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until the hair is thoroughly saturated. Leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes, longer if desired, and then rinse from hair for best results. Then you use the shampoo and that conditioner. So if you're gonna use them all together, best to use this one first and then use the shampoo and the conditioner. All right, so the last item is the one, I believe that was the mixture of, so this is actually a part of the box. The one that was the this or that was the number 6. So for this one, it would have been the number 0.5 Scalp Hydrating and Anti-Aging Scalp Serum Treatment, or the number 6 Bond Smoother Frizz Control Styling Hair Cream, or number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Damage Repair Hair Mask Treatment. So out of all 3 of those, I'm actually glad I got this one. The only other one that I would be interested in would be the hair mask treatment. So that's great that I got one of them that I will use. So this number 7 Bonding Frizz Reduction and Heat Protected Hair Oil. It says bonding oil and boost shine, strengthens, and repairs for all hair types. This is what it looks like. And for this one, it says to apply a small amount onto damp hair or dry hair, style as needed. So it's just gonna give you a boost of shine, strengthens and repairs your hair. It's a bonding oil. The oils actually I don't really use, so this is the one I think that I'm gonna save in a future giveaway. I don't really put oily products in my hair. It normally makes my hair oily, so I normally don't use anything like that. So this one I will gladly just pass down for one of you guys to enjoy. But that is the number 7 Bonding Frizz Reduction and Heat Protection Hair Oil. So that is everything that came in my box. So from my this or that, again, I got the number 6. And then other than that, we have the number 3, the number 4 and 5, and the number 7. All right, you guys, so that is everything that came in my TrendMood box with Olaplex Takeover. What do you guys think? Do you love Olaplex as much as I do? Let me know down below. Have you ever grabbed one of these boxes? Do you now want to? Again, you can definitely be on their mailing list, so they will email you whenever there's a box available. You get to see everything, see the price, and if you want it, you grab it. So simple. So that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. If you want to check out other companies, discount codes, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is Shecrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would greatly appreciate it if you stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something comes up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys. So again, that is everything for this video. Comment down below and let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.